In the last episode, we installed this power supply. Now it's time to install the CPU cooler and see how this goes. Open her up. Hopefully we have no issues, but this should mount perfectly right there. But we need to take out these little black brackets. I'll be right back. Brackets are off. Now we gotta mount her in. Now it's time to attach these to all those spots. Now that the standoffs are installed, it's time to take this cover off and put some paste on there. Turns out I was wrong. I need these instead. Finally got those swapped over. Now let's peel the plastic. Now let's apply the perfect amount of thermal paste. Got the CPU in. Now we gotta tighten up the back. Tightening up the final nut, and then the CPU's done. Plug in the CPU cooler. And now next up, fans. Thanks.